Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to enable always on display on POCO M8 Pro. So first, go into the settings. Right here, find the personalization, always on display, and enable. Here you have the display items for 10 seconds after tapping, but we can here change that, turn off when the battery power is on, or enable this. Here we have the theme that we can change right here. For example, for this one, we have the signature, analog clock, kaleidoscope, digital clock, and the backgrounds. So that's for you to personalize for yourself. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.